Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Today I want everyone to enjoy this recipe. It's quick, easy and totally delicious. Penne pasta in grounded beef, mushroom, carrot sauce. Let's get cooking. Get your penne pasta, grounded beef, mushroom, carrots, blended tomato, pepper and onions, garlic, ginger, sliced onions, spices, salt, vegetable oil, spring onions, potato, plantain, and toasted sesame seed for garnishing. Start by boiling your water for the pasta. And let's start the pasta sauce. Heat up your pan, drizzle some vegetable oil, and add your garlic and ginger. Mix together, allow it to fry a bit, then add your grounded beef. Then all your spices and seasoning. Mix together. Once it starts getting brown, it's time to add your sliced onions. So flavorful and lovely aromatic. The water for the pasta is boiling. Add a bit of salt to your water, pour in all the pasta and allow it to cook. Back to the sauce. Mix and add the blended tomato, pepper, onions. Let it fry together. Then mix, add the grated carrot. Add some spring onions, then the mushroom. Mix together. You can see that the sauce is so fried now and thick. Add some pasta water to loosen the sauce. And the sauce is ready. Time to put in the pasta in the sauce. Mix together and add more spring onions. The penne pasta is looking so good. Ready to taste. Sprinkle the toasted sesame seed and deliciousness is served. Sweetness from the carrot, tender beef and melt in the mouth mushroom. Also the garlic flavor. It's so super yummy. I fried some plantain and potatoes earlier just to elevate the enjoyment of this pasta. So what are you waiting for? Please recreate this recipe and keep watching for Felicia's Food Bites. Thank you.